Matrix A is given as 2, 3, 1, 5. We have to find matrix X if A minus 2x is equal to the matrix 1, 8, 7, minus 6. So let us consider this matrix equation. So we have been given A minus 2 times x is equal to 1, 8, 7, minus 6. Now what we do here is we replace A over here by 2, 3, 1, 5. So 2, 3, 1, 5. So this is matrix A. Now we transfer this matrix on the right hand side onto the left hand side, and we transfer minus 2x on the right hand side. So here we get minus of 1, 8, 7, minus 6 is equal to, now minus 2x, if it is transferred on right hand side, it becomes positive 2x. So we obtain 2x is equal to, now we subtract the corresponding elements, so 2 minus 1. Next subtraction will be 3 minus 8. So we have 3 minus 8. Next is 1 minus 7. So we have 1 minus 7. Next is 5 minus of minus 6. So that is 5 plus 6. So if we proceed further, we obtain 2x is equal to, now if we perform the subtractions, let's see what elements we get. Here we get 1, here it's minus 5, here it will be minus 6, and here there's an addition, so this would be 11. So we get 2x equal to, so the first element was 1, next was minus 5, next was minus 6, and the last term was 11. But we need to obtain the value for x, so we could write x is equal to, now we bring down 2 on the right hand side, so it becomes half. So it is half of the matrix 1, minus 5, minus 6, 11. And finally we perform the scalar multiplication and obtain the matrix x. So finally matrix x would be, now half into 1, so that would be half. Half into negative 5 is negative 5 by 2. Half into minus 6, so that would be minus 3. And half into 11, so that would be 11 upon 2. So this is how we obtain the required matrix X.